In this video, I will show you how to invite friends in Monopoly Go 2024. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on Monopoly Go. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto the friends icon. Once you've done that, you're going to get a pop-up screen like this, and it's going to take you to the friends and family screen. So you want to come up to the tabs at the top and make sure you've pressed onto add friends. Then what you can do, if you look at the bottom, you've got this green invite button. So you just want to go ahead and give that a press. So you've now got two options. You can invite friends from Facebook, or alternatively, you can generate an invite link which you can send to your friends. So if you actually press onto the orange invite button, and what it's going to do is bring up a window like this, and if you look at the top, you're going to see your invite link. So if you actually press onto the copy button, it's going to go ahead and copy the invite link to your clipboard, and what you can then do is use something like Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp or even email, and you can go ahead and send your invite link through your chosen method. Once you've sent your invite link, when the person clicks onto the invite link, they will be invited to Monopoly Go. Now, if you actually invite friends, you do get bonuses. So you can see you get a dice bonus of 20, 60, 100 dice, and you get this mystery present at the end, which if you invite 10 friends, is going to give you 150 dice and the Mr. Monopoly token. So that is how to invite friends in Monopoly Go 2024. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you wanted to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.